Hello, Tom from EveryStepPhysics.com. You can see the problem on the screen here. Finding gravitational force is really the force of gravity that we're used to saying in physics class. Let's do it. Physics to get to my main menu. I'm already at planets, which I've scrolled to before to save time. Now I'm going to go down here to what's asked for, which is always in physics. Find out what they are asking, and then go to that in my menu. Here's gravitational force here. And not a person, but a satellite, number 2. Wait for it to load. When it says busy here, it's loading for the first time. After that, it's fast. What's given? Well, we're given the mass, kilograms, and we're given a period. So number 1, mass and period. Given the mass of the satellite, its orbit of period of orbit, sorry. We're going to enter the mass of the planet, or mass of the satellite. Press alpha first. 20 kilograms. Enter the period. Alpha 5 hours. So I convert that for you. 5 times 3600 is 1.8 e to the 4 seconds. Everything needs to be converted to seconds. Give you a chance to change it in case it's not right. I say it's okay. I show you the gravitational constant, the radius of the Earth, the mass of the Earth. We do our calculations here. Slightly off the screen here because of the length of the entries. And so we come up with r cubed. Here is this. Now we're going to, next screen is going to come down with r, which we've taken. R cubed is the same thing as to the 1/3 power, which was 1.48 e to the 7 meters. That's the orbital radius, okay? Now to find the gravitational force, or the force of gravity, we do these calculations here. Put the variables in, come up with 36.168 newtons. Force of gravity. Oh, I have that satellite. Alright, go to my site, buy my program, and enjoy passing physics. Hey, have a good one.